UGREEN 3A USB-C cable allows you to connect latest Type-C smartphones, tablets and other upcoming devices with a USB Type-C connector to a host computer, laptop, wall charger or external battery power bank with USB-A 2.0 or 3.0 port for charging or syncing. This USB-C charger is widely compatible with Samsung S20, S10, S10e, S10 Plus, S9, S8 Plus, Note 9, Note 8, Samsung A50, A30, A20, A40, A60, M40, M20, M30, Galaxy Tab S3 9. 7. LG Q Stylo 4, Stylo 5, LG G5, G6, G7, G8, G8s ThinQ, LG Q7 version 20 volts, 30 volts, 35 volts, 40 volts, 50. Compatible with GoPro Hero 5, Hero 6, 7 Black, Motorola One Vision, Moto G6, G7, Z4, Z3, X4, Moto Z Force, Moto Z2 Play, Nintendo Switch, iPad Pro 11, 2018 iPad Pro 12. 9. ZTE Axon 10 Pro, Alcatel 7, HTC 10U 12 Plus, Huawei P9, Xiaomi Redmi Note 7, etc. With built-in 56K ohm resistor protecting your device from the damage of overcurrent, this USB Type-C charging cable supports fast and safe charging at current up to 3A. Corrosion-resistant tinned copper conductors and aluminum foil shielding provide maximum conductivity and minimize data loss, ensuring you a max 480 megabits per second data transfer rate. 24K gold-plated connectors with molded strain relief design ensure you reliable performance in durable use. What you get: 1x UGREEN gold-plated USB-C to USB 2.0 a cable. Top reviews from the United States. Higher recommend. I deliver Amazon packages and I use this to charge the device we use to take pictures of packages we deliver and mark as delivered. For the price you definitely can't go wrong. Compare this product to a cable I bought for a lot more money, and this one is actually better quality.